Oh man, it's coming down really hard now. Joshua, get away from the window! Look at how hard that hail is coming down now. This is the second bit of hail we're getting. Check this crap out, man. Oh my gosh. Those are about dime size and pea size and a couple quarter sizes. Look at the road up there. Look at it just bouncing. It's cold too. Holy cow. It's almost 4:15 now, and that was lightning. I am gonna go back in. Oh my god. That's not good. Oh shoot. I'm going back in now. It's starting to hurt. Ow! Starting to hit me. You can hear it hitting the windows and pinging off the cars, and kind of scary, but exciting at the same time. And Kitty left Mom a dead mole. Ah, this is cold and I'm barefoot.